The air around us looks clean, but what if the biggest risk is the one you can't see? A clean environment doesn't always mean clean air. Invisible particles, gases, and environmental changes can impact product quality, workplace safety, and regulatory compliance. You may not see them, but with the right technology, you can measure them. Introducing AQIIQ, SAMVIT, an intelligent air quality monitoring solution designed for modern industries. Monitor live environmental data through a powerful cloud dashboard with real-time visibility, trends, and actionable insights. AQIIQ continuously measures PM 2.5, PM 10, carbon dioxide, and location, delivering accurate environmental intelligence every second. From live LED displays to automated reporting and seamless API integration, AQIIQ helps simplify compliance and keeps critical information visible when it matters most. One connected platform, real-time monitoring, intelligent analytics, complete environmental visibility across your facility. Air quality intelligence, empowering safer workplaces, smarter decisions, and a cleaner future.